Hi, I'm Jack from Stable Southampton. Here at the stable, every single day we make fresh, stable pizza dough, and I'm going to show you how it's done. We use fresh shipped and mill flour, that's nice strong bread flour, very high quality, very good natural ingredient. The best thing for a nice pizza dough, yeah? So we start by first adding 6 litres of water to the machine, like so. That's 4 litres, another 2. We'll then add the flour. This is a 16 kilo bag of flour, quite heavy. And then what I'm going to do is make a well in the middle so that I can add the remainder of the ingredients. And this is going to include 1 litre of extra virgin olive oil, 100 grams of fresh yeast, 240 grams of sugar, caster sugar, and 300 grams of salt. Finally, 1 litre of our sourdough starter. Probably the most important ingredient for this dough. Jerry is our stable sourdough starter. It came from the first site in Bridport 10 years ago. And it was originally made by fermented apples. And it now lives in every single one of our sites. Every site using it to make their fresh dough every day. It's Jerry. Well, we want to turn the machine on. And we're going to add the final, about 1.5 to 2 litres added at the end. You kind of want to leave it for a bit, see how it is, see if it's got enough, not too dry. And that's it. There you have it. So the whole process of making our fresh dough does take 24 hours. We have to leave the dough sit in the fridge overnight, let it prove a bit, come in the next day, and then we'll roll them out into these lovely round 135 gram bits of dough. And leaving that to prove for a few hours, then they're good to go and roll into bases ready for our lovely fresh pizzas.